Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to take care of your slime. This is my slime. It's color bluish, baby blue, because I use the detergent types. This slime is so stretchy. Okay, I got it. And the good thing about this slime is when it came dirty, you drop it, you just can wash it. See, you can just wash it with water. After washing it, you just need to nip it. Guys, when you make it wet, it's a bit sticky, but that's fine. It will dry on your hands on its own. Please need it. Guys, I will come back when I'm done knitting it. Okay guys, I'm done knitting it. If you can see, it's have popping sound because you can blow bubbles on it. See? If you guys, I don't upload some video of how to make this, but as soon as possible I will see if what I can do. The cost to do I use is almost, it's 55 pesos here in the Philippines. Now with the proper proper care is packing. You need a Ziploc bag container. Then put the slime inside. See? And flat the bag before closing it. Wait, guys. See, if you can see, it's flat. And because if you use with the air inside, the slime will also dry up. That's no use. Guys, if you hear some background noises, just avoid it because that is just the sound of our neighborhood. Because if you can see, we're at the terrace. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it.